Since 1951, Flextool has been a market leader in the supply of quality concrete and construction equipment. Flextool offers a full lineup of products to help you complete the job from start to finish, including a comprehensive range of quality concrete vibrators. Lightweight in design, the Flextool PowerVibe is a quality, high-frequency concrete vibrator ideal for a range of projects and applications. Featuring a fully sealed and weatherproof inline inverter control box, the Flextool PowerVibe is easy to connect, plugging directly into a 240-volt 10-amp standard power outlet, allowing safe operation on any site with access to electricity. Operator safety and comfort are at the forefront with its lightweight design, inline RCD protection, and low vibration and heat transfer to the operator. The high-frequency technology with integrated motor in-barrel design achieves greater vibration consistency for optimum consolidation of all types of concrete mixes when operating under load. The quality vibrator head is made of hardened steel for extended service life and is available in 45mm and 60mm diameter. The PowerVibe is fully electric, which means it can operate with minimal noise and without engine exhaust fumes. This does not only benefit the operator, it also makes the PowerVibe the ideal choice for jobs in noise-sensitive and enclosed environments. For more information on the full range of Flextool concrete vibration equipment, visit flextool.com.au.